Pebble Geo relies on an Excel data entry template for borehole logging. For this, you'll need a license for Excel, but you can use Excel for free using the Microsoft 365 online system. Here's how to do it. Open Pebble Geo and then click to open the Pebble Geo Excel template. Click the Save button and save out a blank version of the template as an XLSX and close down Excel. Next, create your free Microsoft 365 online account. You can just do this by searching the web for free 365 account and there'll be a sign up for free button. Create your account and log into Microsoft 365 online and go to the dashboard. Click on the Excel icon. Look for the button labelled Upload and browse for the Excel file you generated from within Pebble Geo. The file will upload to the Microsoft 365 cloud and you can then work into the Pebble Geo template in the browser, entering your borehole logging data as you would on the desktop. So let's add a little bit of data into here. Let's log one stratum of made ground into a trial pit. It's important to note that the data will be saved to the Office 365 cloud as you work. Once you've done your borehole logging, you'll need to download the data as an Excel file. So within Office 365, go to the File menu and the Create a Copy option, and under there you'll find an option to download a copy. Click on this and you'll be able to download an Excel file. Let's give that a unique name. And then let's import that into Pebble Geo. From here we can publish the logs. And here we see our 2.5 meters of made ground.